So hello guys, welcome back on this channel. Today is 20th February and as today is Sunday, so we know on Sunday the Hindu don't publish any editorial part. So that's why today we are going to discuss another very important article, and that's from the Science and Technology session. And it will be about Omicron variant, about the corona. So here is it has been written that why Omicron sublineage BA.2 spreads faster than BA.1. So here are two type of variants of Omicron in which it has been found that BA.2, which is spreading faster than BA.1. So we will be knowing by studying the fact from this video, by this article, that in this video we will be knowing that why it is happening. So now for this we will read this type of comparison highlights which has been written here. There is a few studies, so a few type of research have been done, and after those studies it has been found that BA.2 sublineage has even, so its lineage means that variants come from another, like after the mutation. Lineage, you can say, like lineage we use mainly that it's coming from the family, so it is coming from that BA.1, BA.2, like all of these are from the Omicron variants, are different version. So it has the high proportionality than BA.1 to spread among people. So in the study, as it has been clear, now we will be reading about it. So competing sublineage. Here it is the sublineage. Sublineage means there is a Omicron, and you can say that all these are the children of Omicron. So in those children, one child BA.2 is not so much transferable, but his second child BA.2 is more transferable. Now there are three sublineage of so till now you can say that three sublineage still has been found, and in these three sublineages, two are very dominating, two are spreading very rapidly. Comparing the three lineage discovered so far of the Omicron variants, it appears that the sublineage BA.2 has a selective advantage over BA.1 sublineage. So after all, when till now from all the studies has been done and different type of cases has been found around all over the country. So till now only three sublineages of Omicron have been found. So you can say simply that Omicron is of three types, and in that it's the second type of lineage, second type of variant is very much transferable, and it has advantage over BA. Sublineage means it is more transferable. A few studies are now discovering that BA.2 sublineage has even higher proportionality. So now a few studies have also done that. Now they are trying to discover, they have discovered that it is very rapidly. Now they are trying to know the reason of it. A study was carried out in 24 individuals who were fully vaccinated and received a booster sort of the Pfizer vaccine, and 8 participants who were naturally infected with SARS-CoV-2. So in this studies, scientists have used a sample size of 24 individuals. In those 24 individuals, they were mostly fully vaccinated and also received a booster dose of the Pfizer vaccine. And in this, 8 participants were also already affected by SARS-CoV-2 virus. So now they have compared all of these data. So when they have compared this overall their data after taking from 24 individuals with those strains which has been found in the Wuhan, so it is 23-fold and 27-fold reduction in its neutralizing antibody. So this type of effect has been occurring on antibody titers for BA2 and BA21 respectively. So when 2 weeks after a booster shot, so when a booster shot has been given to a person, They have studied all of things. After 2 weeks, the reduction in median neutralizing antibody titers to BA.2 and BA.2 was only 6.1 fold and 8.4 fold. So here you can see before the booster shot, they are reducing the antibody titers. Antibody titers means titration or concentration in which they have been they are producing a different type of solutions for their research work. So this type of result, they have been found that what is happening in human body without a booster shot, this type of virus doing this type of effect, 23 fold and 27 fold type of reduction in human body's antibody. But when they have given the booster shot, the reduction was only 6.1 fold and 8.4 fold in compared to Wuhan strain. Now another study have also done. That study have found that unvaccinated, fully vaccinated, and those received a booster shot were more susceptible to infection by BA.2 than BA.1. So those people, it is covering all of people, either they are unvaccinated, they are fully vaccinated, or they have received a booster dose already. So most of the people will be infected by BA.2 rather than BA.1 because it is more susceptible, it is more transferable. The implications are that BA.2 is substantially more transferable than BA.2, and it is also possess immunizing properties, it can affect our health more brutally, and it can also hamper your immune system. BA.2 can enter in your body for easily and can stay for a long time. So in this article we have known about it. Now we will go further, and here is science and technology about, can dark matter be composed even partly of black holes? So as the study of black holes is always be very enthusiastic and very interesting for everyone, for the science, since the last decades, last centuries. So here is they are talking about it. Can we compose this dark matter or even a little bit of it? So what can happen now? Most visible galaxies are like disk embedded in a dark matter halo that is much larger in size. So from a recent research has been done which have found that most of the galaxies which are visible to us, they are like a disk is embedded in dark matter. There is a dark matter, and there is a lots of dark matter and is scattered, and a disk on a galaxy is separate in it. And other thing is halo effect. Halo effect means there is hollow, there is nothing, like a vacuum, and matter halo that is much larger in size. Now from this they have given a picture how gravitational microlensing works. When a gravitational wave approaching the earth is interrupted by the presence of black hole, the signals get modified as shown. So here, yes, you can see that black holes, if a wave, here is the earth, when this wave is going from here, then here is a black hole which act as a lens and which transform this wave. And now the wave has been changed. So again, when this wave come to earth, the black hole is working like a gravitational lens and which is changing it. So here you can see that it was the original gravitational wave signal from here. Here you can see now what happened when after the license, when black hole, when they passed from black hole, after that entire wave has been changed, has been you can see which type of distortion you can see here. So a good fraction of the universe consists of dark matter. After all of this study, it has been found that lots of parts of this universe is only made from the dark matter, if dark matter is made of black holes, so in if all these dark matter is made by different type of black holes, so they will interact with gravitational waves passing in their vicinity. Also vicinity means they're around their premises and from their reach. So if these dark matter which have been found, so if it is made by black holes, so it will definitely work as a gravitational wave. This effect will change the shape of the gravitational wave signals that are received on Earth. So these type of gravitational waves which are coming from the outside atmosphere to Earth, they will also receive, their effect will be changed, their wavelength will be changed because of these dark matters. Scientists can use these signature to infer the presence of black holes, and by all of these signatures, by all of these factors, scientists can know where all the black holes are present. So in this video we have been considered two articles, two important articles, and in next video we will be discussing more.